3 seconds. 3 steps for smart sanitation. The ultimate gate and gatekeeper. C-Storm. The C-Storm is portable and the assembly time is just 30 minutes. It can be installed by directly grouting onto the floor or on a portable platform. Direct flow grouting helps to bring more stability to the machine. Place side A of the unit over marked grouted holes. Place the grout bolts through the holes of the unit into the floor. Tighten the bolts to 20 Nm torque. Repeat for side B. Side B nozzles should face side A nozzles. Join power from the floor to the unit with the connector. Place the router nearby. Connect the power and internet as required to the router. Turn on the unit. Wait for the machine to boot. Your C-Storm is now ready.